Welcome to Speak Fluently, the place where you don't just learn English, but also build the confidence to express yourself clearly, naturally, and without fear. If you truly want to improve your communication skills and become more confident in real life, you are in the right place. Today we are talking about don't waste your time, because the way you see yourself decides how the world sees you. Have you ever looked at your life and quietly asked yourself, what am I doing with my time? Not in front of others, but alone when no one is watching. Have you ever felt that deep discomfort that you are capable of more, but you are not doing anything about it? There comes a moment in life when excuses stop making sense, a moment when distractions lose their charm and reality hits you hard. You realize time is not just passing, it is leaving you behind. Every day you wake up with plans. I'll start today. I'll be productive. I'll change my life. But somehow the day slips away. A little scrolling, a little comfort, a little delay. And just like that, another day is gone. Not because you couldn't do it, but because you didn't. That truth hurts. Because deep inside you already know what you should be doing. You know your goals. You know your potential. You know the life you want. But knowing is not enough. Because dreams don't change, your life decisions do. And right now, your decisions are deciding your future. Every time you choose comfort over growth, you move one step away from your dreams. Every time you say, later, you are silently saying, let that sink in. You are not just wasting time, you are wasting your life. And the scary part is, you won't notice it immediately. It happens slowly, day by day, habit by habit, until one day, you look back and realize you had the chance, but you didn't take it. That pain, that regret, is far worse than the pain of discipline, because discipline hurts for a moment, but regret stays forever. So ask yourself, what are you choosing? Temporary comfort or a meaningful life? Because you cannot have both. If you want success, you have to give up the version of yourself that keeps wasting time. You have to become someone who takes action, even when it's hard, even when it's uncomfortable, even when you don't feel like it. This is where most people fail. They wait to feel motivated, but winners don't wait. They move anyway. They understand something powerful. That action creates motivation, not the other way around. So stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Stop telling yourself stories that keep you stuck. You don't need more time. You need more focus. You don't need more motivation. You need more discipline. And most importantly, you need to decide. Decide that your time is valuable. Decide that your life matters. Decide that you are not going to waste another day. Because the truth is, you are capable of more than you think. Much more. But your potential means nothing if you don't act on it. Right now, at this very moment, you have two choices. No perfect moment is coming. This day, you will either say, I did everything I could, or I wish I had tried. Don't let your story be